This story is about a 21-year-old Indian boy who can change your life forever. If you want to build a successful online business, then watch this video carefully till the end. My name is Rahul Manan. I started my journey about 2 years back. I come from a very poor family. You can also see the picture of my house. I took this picture 2 years ago. I am recording this video from my own office right now. I achieved many things in my life. Like, I gifted a car to my father. He was not even able to afford a bike. I built my dream house. I made my dream office. I bought my dream bike. Bought Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, an Apple Watch, AirPods Pro, etc. 2 years back, it was all a dream for me. So guys, 2 years back I started my journey as a freelancer on Fiverr.com. I was very fond to design t-shirts from my early life. I learned everything from YouTube. I never did any graphic designing course in my life. Then, I got to know on YouTube about Fiverr.com. It's a freelancing website where you can sell your services worldwide. And I started to work there. People were doing one design for $5, but I started to do 3 designs for $5. After some time, I started to earn money, and in my first month, I earned $200. It was a big deal for me, but in my father's eye, it was nothing. Next month, I earned $2,000. This was a huge amount in India. My family members started saying to me that, how can you earn so much money online? My father was very proud that his son is doing good in life at age 19, but then comes the downfall. The next 3rd month, those earnings went very low. Because that time, there were so many orders, and I was not able to complete my orders, so Fiverr started to give me low ranks in search results, and my business went down. After this, I understood that you should always build your castle on your land. Then after that, I got to know about the dropshipping business model. There are websites in China where you can get the products on those websites for $1 to $2, and you can sell those products in the USA, the UK, Canada for $10 to $20 with the help of Facebook ads or YouTube ads. This was a very good business model if you can get orders for any products you have to pay a fraction of the amount that you sold it for, and the supplier will send it directly to the destination countries. So, you don't have to hold any inventory. You only have to do the advertisement on Facebook and Google Ads. You will receive all payments in advance. So I thought this is a great business, and I started doing it. And in a very short time, I started getting sales. But after a few weeks, I started to get complaints from customers because those products were from China, and the quality was very poor. So, after that, my business went bad day by day, chargeback coming on my PayPal account. People were asking for refunds, and I also lost all the money I earned from Fiverr, and I also lost some of my parents' money. After that, I went through serious depression, and all day I was watching videos on YouTube. My family members started to taunt me and were laughing at me. But one day, I was watching a video on YouTube, and suddenly, an ad came out of John Crestani. John Crestani was saying in his ad how he earns money online without owning any product and without doing any customer service. I got attracted to the ad because I wanted to do a business where I don't have to handle any custom, because handling custom was a nightmare for me. In that business, someone else owns the product, and you have to do the only advertisement, and you have to sell, customer support, and everything they watch over. There are so many websites like this. You can simply go on those websites, and you can see there which product demand is very high. You can simply select those products and promote them on Facebook and Google Ads, and you will get the commission for those products. For example, if the product is $1,000, so the minimum commission is about 50% there. If you get the 50% commission on the $1,000 product, you are making $500 each day. It's $15,000 monthly, and the sky is the limit. So guys, $15,000 per month is a good amount of money. And that's why I got attracted to this business. And guys, people are earning huge amounts of money from this affiliate marketing business. And whatever I achieved in my life, all thanks to John Crestani and his super affiliate system. Now sales are coming every day. My first commission was about $600, and after that, I never stopped in my life. This affiliate marketing business gave me financial freedom in my life. If you also want to earn money like me, if you also want a life without any financial problems, travel anywhere, spend time with your family without worrying about money. So, guys, I will highly recommend you John Crestani's course, Super Affiliate System. Click on the Learn More button and thanks me later.